Okay, here we've got the V440 open. I have two of the CPU cards installed. So there, I know it's not the best lighting, but there's two of the CPU cards. They're UltraSPARC III CPUs, or 3CU CPUs. So I have two more. Let's just grab that by the connector. I don't know. Best idea. Okay. So here's one of the CPU cards. Not the best lighting, but that's one of the CPU cards. Okay, and then installing it is really simple. So basically, it goes in like this. Okay, then you slide these down. Make sure it's on, right? Yep. Just screw it down. Another card. Okay, so it goes in the same way, of course. Okay, so there's all the CPUs installed. Let me go get a disk to put in. Okay, this should work. Goes in this door here. Just like so. Now what I need, actually, under here, those are where both of the power supplies go. So power supply 0, power supply 1. So let me go ahead and get those. Okay, so I've got the power supplies. Here's one of them. Not the best view. But yeah, there's the connector. So yeah, let's go ahead and put it in. Just slides in like so. And then I believe you just screw it in to lock it. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so now the CPU cards are installed and the power supplies are installed. So the server should be ready for operation. And this is where it's gonna go. This is my current rack. So we've got Dell Power Connect 2808, 4 PowerEdge R420s, an SGI Origin 350 with an Altix 350 front plate for some reason, an SGI Origin 300, and a Sunfire V240. That's what's currently in here. Then there's just like a Sun tape drive right here. Simple UPS. So yeah, eventually it'll be going there, but not right now. Okay, I'm connected to the serial management port over serial. Let's plug it in. See what we get. Okay. Starting. Okay. Okay, so might be a little bit harder to hear me now. It recognizes all 4 CPUs, as you can see, and now it's beginning to test them. So while it's doing that, let's put in our turbo speed. So by the way, for those wondering how I'm connected over serial with nothing plugged into this laptop, well, I keep this Raspberry Pi here as my serial machine, so then if I need to communicate with the machine over serial, then I can just do it over the network, which is a lot easier, or I can just access the machine over the network. So all the tests have finished, everything's been successful. So let's go ahead and boot from the Triplix DVD, then I'll come back when I'm about to start the install. So it turns out Triplix doesn't have the drivers for the Ethernet in this machine, but luckily this. So let's go ahead with that. So actually, I temporarily forgot. It'd be much better if I just installed this out of the gate. So yeah, this is the last version of Solaris 10 that Oracle released, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this version. Okay, so I finished configuring the installation, so now it's beginning. I've actually never installed Solaris 10 over serial, but it's a pretty nice installer. Obviously I've installed it through the GUI before, but not over serial. Okay, so now I'm back upstairs on my desktop and I'm connected to that Raspberry Pi over SSH, which is connected to that Sunfire over serial, and we can watch the install from here. Okay, so here we are at the login. So I should be able to get into the system over Secure Shell now. According to OBS, this has been recording for almost 40 minutes. We're at 3850 right now. And it was installing a bit before that. So yeah, it took quite a long time to get to the login prompt. So yeah, let me just go ahead and get in through Secure Shell. Okay, so I just created a new user. Let's go ahead and log in. There we go. I'm gonna switch to root. Okay. So this is a processor info. So these are the highest end CPUs that can go in this machine, and it has 16 gigabytes of memory. So yeah, it's it's a pretty loaded machine. Wonder if the DNS is working properly. Yep. So it's working. I can go ahead and get OpenCSW on it. So I should be able to just there we go.
Okay, we're back. GCC 5 successfully installed. So now I should be able to run. Yep, there we go. GCC 5.5.0 from 2015. Working here on Solaris 10. So there we go. SunOS 5.10. That's a version for Solaris 10. So yeah, if there's anything anybody wants me to do with this machine and they want to see, let me know, or any of the other servers I showed. So yeah, thanks for watching.